Have you ever wanted you and your colleagues to open and edit the same Excel file at the same time without overwriting each other's work? Especially if you're not using cloud services like OneDrive or SharePoint. Luckily, Excel has a built-in feature that's perfect for sharing and editing files simultaneously over your local network. In this video, I'll show you step by step how exactly to set it up. First, open Excel. Click the File tab in the top left corner. Click Options at the bottom. When the new window opens, select Customize ribbon on the left side. On the right panel, under Main tabs, find and expand the Home tab. Click New Group to create a custom group under the Home tab. From the drop-down menu on the left, select All Commands. Scroll down this list and find Share Workbook Legacy. Once you find it, select it and click Add to place it into your new custom group. Finally, click OK to save the changes. Now, you will see the Share Workbook Legacy button conveniently placed on the Home tab. Now, open the Excel file you want your colleagues to edit simultaneously. From the Home tab, click on Share Workbook Legacy and a new window will appear. In this window, check the box labeled Use the old shared workbooks feature instead of the new co-authoring experience. Then, click OK. Excel will prompt you to save the workbook. Just click OK again. Your Excel file is now ready for multiple users to edit simultaneously. Now, let's create a shared folder so others on your network can access this Excel file. First, create a new folder. Give this folder a name such as Shared Excel Files. Place the Excel file you just prepared into this newly created folder. After placing the file, right-click on this folder and select Properties. In the Properties window, click on the Sharing tab at the top. Click the button labeled Shared. A new window will appear asking you to choose who can access this folder. Click the drop-down menu, select Everyone, and then click Add. Make sure the permission level next to Everyone is set to read or write so that others can both view and edit files in this folder. Now click the Share button. Click Done when the confirmation appears. Finally, click the Advanced Sharing button in the same Sharing tab. Check the box labeled Share this folder. Then click on the Permissions button. Here, check the box to allow full control of everyone. Click Apply, then OK to confirm. Your folder is now fully shared and everyone on your network can access and edit the Excel file. To allow others to access your shared folder, you need your computer's local IP address. Open the command prompt window. Inside the command prompt, type ipconfig, then press enter. Look for IPv4 address listed under your active network adapter. Note this IP address down. You'll need it to access your shared folder from another computer. On another computer that's connected to the same network, open the File Explorer. In the address bar, type 2 backslashes followed by the IP address you just noted earlier. Press enter. Then provide the login credentials of the original PC. Now, you should see your shared folder. Simply open this folder, then double-click your Excel file to open it. Now multiple users can open and edit this file at the same time. Let's quickly demonstrate how this works. Suppose user 1 already opened the Excel file and began typing or editing something. Next, user 2 opens the same Excel file from their own computer. As user 2 edits the workbooks and hits Save button, user 1 will see a notification pop up in the Excel stating your workbook has been updated with changes made by others. Just click OK and instantly the changes made by user 2 will appear on your screen. Remember, the updates are applied once users save their edits, so always encourage your team to save frequently to stay synchronized. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to set up Excel so multiple users can edit the same workbook simultaneously over your local network.